Just getting the auto trail ready to be viewed and hopefully sold. Just had a little delivery from Bluetti. New product from Bluetti. This is one of their new power banks, and we've got a little charger as well. So the charger that they've started to do will literally just connect up to your vehicle battery. So literally 2 wires straight onto the vehicle battery. So on the Fiats, the vehicle battery is located under the passenger footwell, and the literally 2 wires, and then we can run that to little MC4 cables that will then connect into the actual Bluetti, and that'll charge it from the vehicle's alternator as we're running along. The beauty of the little charger that they've sent us, and this new little charger that they've come up with at Bluetti, is that it works on 12 volt and it works on 24 volt, which is good news for us. So one gone, one in, so just a bit of a jiggle around. We've got to move some vans about, and what I'm thinking is I've got 4 campers now. It's got a little VW that's just come in, the Elgrand that we've made, and then the other 2. So I'm going to I've had to just charge the GoPro. It was just a bit flat, but luckily we've got the new Bluetti to do it on. The idea was to use the GoPro to do the next bit of filming, which was better, and I could set the GoPro up and I'd move some vans around and put a little bit of music on and a bit of a time-lapsey sort of video, but the battery's flat because I was doing the lorry yesterday. So we'll have a look at the lorry. VW just come in, so that's coming part exchange against the motorhome that's just gone, that we looked at earlier. So my plan is, the Elegance is sold, so that needs to come down and go and start getting serviced and checked. The Sport and Fun, I need to do a video on that, just to confirm that everything's all as it should be, and that then is going to have a deposit on it. So I'm going to try and line up all the 4 camper vans now, because we've got 4 camper vans. So I'm going to put all of those here in a line. So I'm going to move one of these into where the Swift came from. The little Eldis is sold, but that's not going out for a couple of weeks. We've got to order a motor mover, so I'm going to potentially just position that somewhere and then put the other camper van in the middle here. So I just need to have a little move around. So I knew the Bluetti would come in handy today, so we've got it on charge while we video, as the battery's a little bit low, as I say. So I've run the battery a little bit low doing the lorry painting yesterday. So, 4 little campers in. So the new one, little VW, and then obviously the other ones. Bit of a big gap here in the middle now. So we've hopefully got another nice big motorhome due in that can fill into here. Little Elvis Avanti that's sold. It says Sport and Fun. I've just got to do a video. Still just actually got to get around to do a video on that. And then we've got a few more vans that have come in that are new, which we'll have a look at, probably more on Sunday's video, to be honest with you. Little tip, not a huge tip, but a little tip coming on Sunday's video, and then we'll see what is happening. We'll have a proper look at that VW, and then yeah, go from there. We've got another little part Xer that's coming over there that we'll have a look at. So few vans that we're just sort of waiting on now in part exchange. So we're waiting for those to come in, and it leaves us then with a few gaps where we've got vans that are actually sold. We're waiting for those to go out and the part exchanges to come in. So it leaves us with a fair few spots, which is hence why it's now manoeuvring the things around just to make it look like we've got more than what we actually have. But I quite like our little camper corner. I think we're going to call it camper corner. So as I say, hopefully you've liked our sort of little runny roundy what's going on video. Moved the elegance now, so that's over there, moved on to sort of getting serviced, etc. Bluetti did us proud, so that is a new Elite 200, 2600 watts. There is only 2 kilowatts of actual battery power, so you're not going to run 2.6 watts or 2600 watts for any length of time, but it gives you, it actually gives you the opportunity to run higher powered items for a little bit shorter time. You can put, as I said, 1000 watts of solar panel power into this, 60 volts or 1000 watts. So you're going to charge that 2 kilowatt 2000 watt battery that's built into this unit within 2 hours if you've got a load of sun and your solar panels running. So a really good little unit that we can run more on the caravan or on the camper. Very good for using on the campers. These work really well, and again they're all pure sine wave, so if we've got delicate electrical items, computers, laptops, etc., they can all run through this. And then as again, where we've been charging the GoPro, where we've been doing that time-lapse bit, you can run all of your phone charging, all of any 12 volts, USB-Cs, USB standards, they can all be run through that as well. So a really good little unit, and there's going to be a link in the description that will go through and show you where you can buy that, and hopefully a bit of a discount code as well potentially. Hopefully you've enjoyed this week's little video, a little bit of a sort of dealer backgroundy, what's been going on this week at the caravan place. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you have, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on Sunday's video. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark at the caravan place.